This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now sitting in a Ford F-150 Lightning, and in this video we'll test the lighting. But I'll test the headlights. So yeah, we have it on auto right now. I've seen that the lights, they turn a bit in the curves. Wait, do we have adaptive lights? No, let's find out. Let's see. Get in the dark side. Oh, okay, it's a bit bumpy here. Oh, look at that! Wow. But you can see that the car can handle the bumps quite well. It doesn't bounce too much, right? Well, actually, does it? But wow, this is good. This is good headlight for American car. Let me see. Can we go? Okay, now it's high beam. But if you go manual, is it manual? Wait, look at this. Oh, it also turns. This is physical turning of the lights. Holy macaron! This is good, huh? You don't expect American cars to be that good, is it? Huh? Okay. Go over here. All right. Wait, did he go into low beam again? Yeah, okay. It seems like when the speed is too low, and then it comes up with a high beam. Oh, wow. Hey, wait. Was this the same with the Mach-E? Not sure. Oh, I have to be careful. There could be slippery. Oh, it's almost a little bit past full moon now. It was full moon yesterday or 2 days ago. But damn, this is some awesome headlights. The Germans should be worried. Look at this. Huh? Well, I need to test the adaptive parts also. If it has any matrix or anything like that, right? Well, you see, it turns into the curve. Oh, there's an oncoming car. Oh, perfect. Oh, wait. Then it just went total off. Huh? Okay, that's a bit strange. Maybe it just turns and it only turns and it can only have on and off. Yeah, I've seen some variants of those also. Yeah, when you hear this clunk, 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 that is actually rocks, gravel hitting the wheel arches. It seems to be. Oh, there's an animal. Can you see it? If I turn there, you see that? Kinda. Okay. Yeah. That was a deer. There's lots of wildlife around here. Have to be careful. But no problem with this F-150 Lightning. Wow. Yeah, but as I mentioned, oh, there's more. Just as I was going, you see that? Yeah, run, little buggers. Oh, would like to get some of that meat. But yeah, it seems like the wheel arches are not that well insulated. It sounds like rocks hitting metal in the inside of the wheel arches, right? So that's not good. But the car is still very quiet, probably because it's just so tall. Huh? Okay, let's do the farm inspection here. I might have to fire up manual here. Let me see. If I stop, yeah, then it just turns down like that. Okay, and if I fire up now, look at that. Oh. Okay, now it's on manual. Okay, wait, now it's on manual. Now it's low beam. There, auto. Okay, I'm gonna keep it on auto. Wait, if I do manual, like, wait, how do I? Is that manual? It seems to be on auto all the time. Okay, whatever. I was wondering if I have it on manual, if it will still turn in the curves. But this is good. What am I looking for? I'm looking for good spread and good strength. Okay, well, okay. The spread might not be the best I've seen. Not as good as many of the German cars, but because it turns in a curve, then it kind of makes up for the lack of spread, right? But we have to try now in sharper curves, like here. Yeah, see, it actually works pretty good, huh? F-150 Lightning, huh? Man, it's underrated. Why don't more people buy them in Norway? Europe? Europe, as far as I know, only in Norway, or the importer in Norway, they import them. But most other countries in Europe, they don't import them from US. It needs to be retrofitted here, well, in Köln. So Ford factory in US, they don't make them ready for Europe. But yeah, okay, wow. Okay, well, I'll try again. Okay, well, you have this nice spot there, but it seems like the spread, okay, yeah, like I said, the spread is not as good as the other German cars. Also, the strength is not as good, but because it moves, then it actually makes it okay. Yeah. So, but do we have any matrix stuff? Okay, I had to go to another road to see if we get any matrix going, or adaptive, or if it's just on-off. Okay, now we're on another B road, and oh, we are oncoming traffic. Hey. So every time there's an oncoming traffic, it seems like it goes into low beam. Oh, is that another Ford F-150 Lightning? Yes, it is. Yo, what's up? Mother from another's brother. Okay, it seems like we have this that moves, and then it's just on-off. Yeah, at least I tested it now before reading the manual. Okay, let me see. Maybe we should try to get behind someone, but I didn't see any matrix action. Yeah, I think that's it, the test. So fairly good headlights, they turn at least. And other than that, maybe I've given it points, 7 out of 10. Yeah. Okay, that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.